Well, we can use these postulates and theorems of similar triangles to help us find what is called indirect measurement. So again, we got the side angle side similarity postulate, and we have the side similarity theorem, and the, excuse me, what did I say first? We got the angle similarity postulate. We have the side similarity theorem, and we have the side angle side similarity theorem. And so we're going to be using these in this little set of problems to find indirect measurements. Let's look at this one first. It's okay, we're looking at a building. So Adam is standing next to the Palmetto building in Columbia, South Carolina. He is 6 feet tall. You may want to keep note of that. And the length of his shadow is 9 feet. If the length of the shadow of the building is 322 feet, how tall is the building? Well, like many times, I probably want to sketch this out. Doesn't have to be drawn to scale. So let's see, Adam's standing here. He's 6 feet. He's 6 feet tall. His shadow is 9 feet. And we got a building over here, and it's got this shadow here of 322.5 feet. And we're asked to find how tall is the building. So I can set this up as a proportion and solve this thing. So let's say I got 6 is to x. Those are corresponding sides. Now my angle is going to be the same. We're on the ground. From the ground up and out. So about these angles here are going to be congruent. So what kind of theorem am I using? Side angle side. And let's see, well, then we can set this equal to 9 feet over 322.5 feet. Well, let's use our cross product, and I've got 9x equals 6 times 322.5. Definitely need a calculator for that one. 6 times 3.225 equals 1,935. And over here on the left, I've got 9x. We're going to divide both sides by 9, and x equals 215. And we can determine using indirect measurements that this building must be 215 feet tall. Shazam. Now there's some interesting little problems in this set of homework problems. Have to do some conversions of different units of measure. I think one time I even had to give it away, the hypotenuse, so that I could work it as side angle side. Anyway, there's some interesting ways that we're going to go about solving some of these. It'll test your thinking, and remember, geometry is largely about thinking.